Hi everybody, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be doing a Tabata warm-up activity. So basically we're going to be doing a full body cardio workout is essentially what we're doing. So I know we haven't talked about Tabata, but I'm going to go ahead and explain that to you initially. After I do that, I'm going to show you the workout chart that we'll be following. We'll review the exercises, and then finally I will show you the timer that you'll be using today. So let's go ahead and get started. So, there we go. So what is Tabata? So Tabata is a type of high-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT. I'm sure you've heard that term before. And basically what this entails is you're going to be doing a period of all-out exercise, and then you're going to follow that up with a short period of rest. And then a period of all-out exercise, period of rest. It's just alternating between the two is basically what you're doing. So Tabata was created by Japanese scientist Izumi Tabata in 1996, and it has evolved to include a variety of modes and exercises performed in the classic 20-10 pattern. So in other words, what we're going to be doing is 20 seconds of all-out exercise, and then 10 seconds of rest. Then again, 20 seconds of exercise, 10 seconds of rest, and so on. And we're doing this because it improves both aerobic capacity and anaerobic capacity. So the workout that we'll be doing today includes 4 circuits, as you can see here, and within those circuits, or within each circuit, I should say, will include 2 exercises and 2 rest periods. So obviously we're going to start with circuit number 1. We're going to do 20 seconds of jumping jacks, 10-second rest period, 20 seconds of high knees, 10-second rest period. Right after that 10 seconds of rest, you're going to move right into the next circuit. So you'll do 20 seconds of burpees, 10-second rest, 20-second squats, 10 seconds of rest. After that, moving right into circuit number 3, 20 seconds of lunges, 10-second rest, up, up, down, down plank. Show you what that is if you forgot. Doing that for 20 seconds, 10-second rest. Last circuit, seat kicks, 20 seconds, rest, mountain climbers, 10-second rest. So remember, every exercise that you're doing is going to be 20 seconds no matter what. And every rest period is going to be 10 seconds no matter what. And remember, we're alternating the two. 20 seconds on, 10 off, 20 on, 10 off. And then right after those 10-second rest period of the last circuit, you're moving right into the next circuit, okay? Awesome. So let's go ahead and review the exercises that you'll be doing today. So circuit number 1, remember you're starting off with jumping jacks. Remember you're doing that for 20 seconds, 10-second rest, then you're moving into high knees. And it looks like that, all right? I want you alternating and essentially just like you're sprinting. So you're doing opposite arm to leg, just like she's doing. 20 seconds of that, then you're doing 10 seconds off. Then you'll move right into circuit number 2 where you're doing burpees. You're starting off with that. Remember, you're doing push-up, jump forward, jump up. Push-up, jump forward, jump up. Those are kind of hard to remember. Just want you to see that so you can remember how to do that. So remember, 20 seconds of that, 10 seconds off, then we're moving right into squats. 20 seconds of squats. Remember, your feet are slightly wider than shoulder width, and you're sitting in that chair. After 20 seconds of that, 10 seconds off. Then you're moving right into circuit number 3, where you're doing lunges. So remember, you're stepping forward, you're bending down with that knee, but you're still having good posture, like she is. You're bringing it back, and then you're just alternating your feet. So you're going to keep doing that for 20 seconds. You'll do 10-second rest period, and then you'll move into plank. Remember, for this plank, we're doing up, up, down, down. So just like she's doing, she's going up, up on her hands, and then down, down on her forearms. So you're going to do that for 20 seconds, then 10 seconds off. Move into number 4, where we're doing seat kicks, where your heel is going to your seat. Doing that for 20 seconds, then 10 seconds off. 20 seconds of mountain climbers. So remember, we're running on the ground in that high push-up position. Whoops, sorry about that. 20 seconds of that, 10 seconds off. Awesome. Finally, I actually think I already have this here. Yep. Okay. This is the Tabata timer that you will be using to complete the activity. Everything's already set up for you. So remember, we have 2 exercises for each circuit, and we have 4 circuits. So that's 8 exercises total, and the exercises are in the green right here, okay? And then the rest periods are in the red. So basically, once you start this, once you're ready to start the activity, press the start button, it'll count you down, and then make sure your volume's on, because it's going to tell you when to start. You're going to go ahead and start the exercise. So remember, our first one is jumping jacks. You'll do that for 20 seconds. Then you'll do 10 seconds rest. Then you'll move into your next exercise for 20 seconds, 10 seconds rest. So remember, 20 on, 10 off. You're following that until you're done, and it'll notify you. So if you want, you could just follow this pattern, or not pattern. You could just have this up on your screen if you want, or you could go ahead and go back to our slides and follow it that way. But either way, make sure to have your volume on so you know when that time period is up, either the 10 seconds or the 20 seconds. So remember, like I said, you can go ahead and you could have the chart up. Let me present this for a second. So you could have your Tabata Timer in another tab, or make sure to have your volume on. And then you could have this just presented right in front of you to make sure you're following along if you want, if you like the chart idea, or if you want, you could go ahead and follow along with these. Remember, those jumping jacks, then that rest, high knees rest, and then you'll just move into the other circuits. So you could do either one of those. Remember to follow the timer. Also, I have a surprise for you. So, instead of doing the workout just one time, I want you to go ahead and repeat. You're going to do the activity twice, okay? So as soon as you finished the timer for the first activity, I want you to go ahead and just go right back into it and start it all over again. And the reason I want you to do this is so we can really burn some calories, so you can really increase both your aerobic and anaerobic capacity, and so you can feel a lot better. You're going to feel a lot better doing this. I know you might not want to, but you're going to feel so amazing afterwards. Just trust me on this. I'm going to go ahead and do it too. So don't worry, I'll be doing it with you. But, so that's our activity for today. I hope you enjoy it. Trust me, again, you'll feel a lot better. I hope you have a great time doing the activity, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you later.